Today is Tutorial Monday and welcome back. On my last video we were doing this circle here and I forgot to mention how to fasten this circle off, so I put a stitch marker in here so I can do that on this video for you. So we still have our 5.5 millimeter hook and we made it to the end on our last video. And we slip stitched, and then we're going to chain one, and then we're going to cut this, leave a little tail on it, and we're going to cut that and then pull it all the way through and pull it, and we're going to sew that in on the back side to kind of hide this tail and this tail. We're not going to do it now. I'm pretty sure you know how to grab your needle and just hide these little tails and then cut the leftovers off. But today we're going to make this into a square. So I'll be right back. Okay, I've got my yarn ready. I'm going to do my slip knot on this piece of yarn. And where we left off it, right here where this tail is, I'm going to join that piece of yarn. And let me try to grab these tails in here. I'm going to chain two. And remember, this does not count as a stitch. So we're going to double crochet and put two more double crochet in this same first green stitch here. Then we're going to chain is just yarning over and pulling through. Chain 2 times. Find the next V stitch, put 3 double crochet. That's 1, that's 2, and 3. You move over, and we're gonna half double crochet in 7 of these stitches right here. Half double crochet, you yarn over, put your hook in, pull up that yarn over again, and you go through all 3 stitches. That's 1. Go to the next one. It's 2. Next one, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we should have 7 half double crochet. Then we're going to start all over again. 3 double crochet in there, double crochet, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, 3, 1 more in here, chain 2, 2, go to the next one, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to do the 7 single crochet, half double crochet, and then do the double crochets, and we're going to repeat that all the way around, and I'll be back. Okay, I've made it to the last little section, so I'll come back and do that section with you. We're going to put 3 double crochet right here. Sorry. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2. Put 3 double crochet in the next one. 1, 2, and 3. There's your last corner there. Half double crochet in the last 7 stitches. 2, 3, 4, and 7. And remember what I said, it's good to count your stitches, because this last little thing will look like it's a stitch, but it's not a stitch. And so make sure you count and get your count right. You should have 7 half double crochet on each side. And you should have your 3 double crochet, chain 2, then 3 double crochet in the next one. We're gonna skip that chain 2 that we started with right there, because that's not a stitch. And we're gonna slip stitch into the top of that first double crochet. And the next round, and this is the last round, we're gonna chain 2. It does not count as a stitch. We're gonna double crochet in that same space, double crochet in the next 2 spaces, 2 stitches. And we're at the corner. We're gonna do 3 double crochet in that corner space, 2 and 3. I'm gonna chain 2 and put 3 more double crochet into that same space. And this is our corner right here. And you might have to slide this over a little bit to get to your first stitch, because it's probably going to be hiding, but that's the next stitch right there. You're going to double crochet. You should have 13 stitches going across here to double crochet in. So you're going to double crochet in the next 13 stitches, and I'll be back when we get to the corner. Okay, I've double crocheted those 13 stitches. And I'm at another corner right here. So I'm going to put 3 double crochet into this corner. I'm going to chain 2 and put 3 more double crochet into this same corner. And this is how you make it into a corner. You got 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in that same space. And like I said, you could probably have to pull this yarn over to get to this space right here, and do your 13 double crochet going across until you get to the corner, where you're going to do your 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and continue all the way around until the last corner. And I'll be back. Just finished my last corner with my 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and now we're on this last edge over here where we started at. We only have 10 double crochet to do, because remember we did 3 at the beginning, so we only have 10 to do, so that'll be our 13. So we should have 10. I have to pull that out of the way to get to my first one. I should have 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. With the first 3 that we made, we should have 13. We're going to skip this chain 2 right here that we made in the beginning and slip stitch into that first double crochet we made. And this is our granny square. And like I said, if you want to make the beanie, just make 5 of these. Watch the video before this one on my playlist, my Crochet 101 playlist, and you will learn how to make the circle. And then you will make it into a square and make 5 of these. And we're going to do this, and when I come back, I'm going to show you how to put your squares together. And then we're going to be constructing us a crochet granny square beanie. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more crochet tutorials or stuff dealing with crochet. And y'all have a great Monday. This is our tutorial for today. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.